Dear Professor, my name is Xiong Qing and my ID is PPP203121. I'm now studying for a doctorate degree in technical and vocational education in School of Education. My research topic is the application of learning factories in vocational education school in China. My thesis outline is divided into 8 parts. Research issues, research objectives, research designs, population and sampling, research instruments, data analysis, expected findings, and the list of references. My research question is mainly about how to apply the learning factory model in China's vocational education system. The background of this research is that China's policy is to encourage international cooperation to improve the quality of existing vocational education. At the same time, Germany's dual system has been recognized globally as a successful vocational education model. Therefore, how to apply the German model in China's vocational education has always been a problem that China scholars want to solve. During my years of work in vocational education, I found that the learning factory model in Germany would be a bad answer. So, how to introduce learning factory model into Chinese vocational schools? How to transfer the learning factory model into China's own form? How to promote the deep and efficient cooperation between enterprises and schools will be the main content of this paper. My research questions mainly include the following. Which learning factory model is suitable for full-time vocational education? What kind of enterprise is suitable for learning factory cooperation with the school? Are vocational school students suitable for the school enterprise cooperative learning factory model? What is the biggest obstacle in the cooperation between enterprise and schools? What curriculum system should be used in the school enterprise cooperative learning factory? What kind of problems of changes will be brought to school vocational education by learning the factory model? What kind of pressure and change will be caused to vocational school teachers? What kind of promotion will it give students? Mixed research method will be used in this study. According to different research questions mentioned above, research data will be collected through document review, questionnaire, interview, observation, experiment, and other methods. And then different types of data sets will be established through descriptive statistics to intuitively present the quantitative or qualitative research result of each research question, and the data will be interpreted to form research reports. The population and samples in this study will involve the following contents: research domestic and outside of China university enterprise cooperation pattern of vocational schools curriculum model, vocational school students, vocational school teachers' ability request. Learning content such as factory good literature, each not less than 15, used to analyze the current status of China's vocational education and advance foreign vocational education concept, and for the promotion of China's role. For not less than 100 vocational colleges teachers about personal ability, enterprise work experience, the current precedent of the effectiveness of teaching and other issues related to qualitative research questionnaire investigation. And according to the questionnaire of the effectiveness of the extra of not less than 18 teachers questionnaire analyzed from the perspective of teachers, current vocational school teachers' comprehensive ability and practice ability to guide curriculum reform. Conduct quantitative research questionnaire survey on at least 400 students in vocational colleges and extra at least 200 questionnaire according to the validity of the questionnaire on the current situation and the effectiveness of students' vocational ability training through school enterprise cooperation, which is used to analyze the help of school enterprise cooperation model in vocational colleges to students' learning. Interview with principals, administrators, and teaching administrators of vocational colleges to understand the problems existing in China's current vocational education process and the improvement methods they use, and to analyze the feasibility of learning factory model in China's vocational schools and the best model of operation. Choose an experimental class, use the factory pattern learning to teach, and observe the students' learning model and the change of attitude, or to observe the change of teachers' teaching model, observation learning aspect to analyze the effectiveness of the curriculum model factory pattern learning in the possibility of running vocational schools in China, and parts that can promote learning in China factory pattern of components. In the stage of data collection, online questionnaire surveys results will be collected using the software, the questionnaire star, which is independently developed in China and belongs to Youcai Tianxia Hunting Recruitment Company. For the analysis of questionnaire data, SPSSAU software will be used for professional analysis of quantitative research data. Through the research of the questionnaire server and professional interview data, the ratio and efficiencies of students in vocational college in China to study in enterprise problems and loopholes in school enterprise cooperation and the defects of teachers' ability and the curriculum model will be analyzed. Through the literature research, confirm whether school enterprise cooperation model of learning factory can reasonably improve this problem and what kind of learning factory model can adapt to China's current vocational education management system. According to the above analyzed conclusion, the cooperative model of Chinese school enterprise cooperative learning factory. The design points of the curriculum system of the learning factory model and the teacher training plan under the new model are summarized. The practicability and extensibility of the learning factory model in China were tested by using the model in the professional class. Through the research, we will be able to design a complete set of mechanic and electric integration professional learning factory vocational training system that can be promoted and run in the vocational college in China. The system will enhance the Chinese vocational education at this level of mechatronics, professional talent, comprehensive vocational ability training. The system will contain mechanic and electrical integration professional school enterprise cooperation learning factory construction program, SET construction program, teacher training program, curriculum implementation program. In order to complete this study, a large amount of literature will be read, like German literature on the dual system, global literature on learning factories, global literature on university enterprise cooperation models, and literature related to China's vocational education system. Thank you for your listening.